Hi, Bill from CJ's here with a Brake Master Cylinder rebuild kit fitting your 1968 through 1975 Bronco. Instead of buying a new Brake Master Cylinder, this rebuild kit gives you everything you need to rebuild your original. It's going to include a new push rod with seal, piston, new spring, retainer, seals, valve washer, valve cup, flow control valve, snap ring, seats, check valves, and hardware. This Master Cylinder rebuild kit and other brake parts for your 68 through 75 Bronco are available right here at cjponyparts.com.